All right, just a couple examples from 4.5 having to do with tolerance. Tolerance meaning like how closely, precisely do we have to measure something. So this example, let's say we have a sphere whose radius is 500. What effect does the tolerance, so plus or minus 0.2 inches, have on its surface area measurement? So surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Everybody knows that. So my change in surface area with respect to r, ds dr, is 8 pi r. And I could move that over. So it's ds, the change in surface area, is equal to 8 pi r dr, your change in radius. Okay, so to answer the question, what effects does it have on the surface area? Well, your change in surface area will be, if your radius is 500 and your change in radius is 0.2, then you could multiply that out, and there's a pi in there, 4,000 times 0.2, so what's that, 800 pi? Something like that. Let's see. I don't want to be wrong on my video here. So 8 times 500 times 0.2 would be 800 pi. Okay, so we'd be off by 800 pi inches squared would be your change in surface area. So if we're off by 0.2 inches in our measurement, we'll be off by 2,513 inches squared on our surface area. Okay, that's the first type of problem. Second and last type of problem from 4.5 in this video. How closely do we have to measure the radius to make sure the surface area is within 2%? So how closely do we have to measure it? Okay, so the most important thing is your first statement. Your change in surface area has to be within 2% of the actual surface area. That's where you should start. Change in surface area, or the tolerance, has to be within 2% of the surface area. Well, surface area is 4 pi r squared, and your ds is 8 pi r dr, so 8 pi r dr and I'm going to divide by 8 pi r, and now we got to clean that up. So our answer, well, these 8's are gone, these pi's are gone, and r is gone. 4 over 100. Oh, I made that 8. That 4 should be gone now. So now we're looking at 1 over 100. So, because everything's gone, so it's 1 over 100 r. So what does that mean? How closely? Well, we have to measure within 1% in order for the surface area to be within 2%. So figure out what number over 100, and this is going to be your answer. If it was 1/2, it'd be 1/2%. If it was like 1 over 200, then you'd have to make it 1/2 over 100, so it'd be 1/2%. So it's whatever it is over 100 will be your answer.